Oh, get a kimbo! Nah! Oh, get out of my lobby! Uninstall the game, you suck. Christ. That's 4 planes. I'm coming down with a
bounty target is down.
something.
Well done.
Let's buy a loadout. That wasn't a joke, Squashy. Can you pull your head in? I'm dropping me cash. It's right there. Someone pick it up. Spend it wisely. Oh, they're right here. Suck shit, dickhead. Oh, what a bitch. Got him. Long shot team wipe. Gee, I love that. Geez, the M13 is the best gun in this game. People on heartbeat, like 20 meters away at west, directly to their left. Right on us. Team white, let's go. I shot him through this little gap of the plane. Oh. I love that heartbeat coming clutch then. Look at his heat. Team white, what the hell? Precision airstrike it. Trying to pick it up, or do you? Nah, I just picked it up.
Friendly drop bag headed your way.
Does anyone need that? Yeah, let's go.
There's a care package here.
I've still got the threat counter on, so no one's near us. Jeez, this is an open field, and I can't wait to just 360 no scope a whole squad. 12.5 damage. Oh, helicopter coming in to fucking chop us all up, turn us into dog meat. They're landing on us. Oh, they're landing on us. Yeah, fuck off, you dickhead. Another one. More ones, you 1,000 fucking chopper drivers. I wonder if they're all part of the same squad. Fucking hell, another fucking helicopter. These helicopters are fucking... Look at them. They're definitely on the same squad.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
I hate that so much. Oh, get a kimbo! Nah! Oh, get out of my lobby! Uninstall the game, you suck. Christ. Oh, dudes, this helicopter's giving me full-blown fucking tinea.
Enemy helicopter.
Oh, you can't call in an airstrike on a helicopter. Fuck, I can't explain how much fucking tinea these helicopters... Oh, call back, call in here, go to you.
Final deployment is ready.
Need to move.
Windows closing
Get
fast.
ready.
You got armor
gas
plates,
inbound.
dude?
Safe zone relocated.
Mark out, moving.
Right there.
Run, jump off the thing, Eddie. No. Good tell you, brother. Nah. Oh, he's got me. Woo! Truth. I'm just healing up. Christ! Oh man, I got so lucky then, eh? That sniper had me down, and instead of like killing me, he tried to shoot the other guys, and I put myself res up. Nah, man. one down. Yeah, team wipe. Good work, boys.
Enemy down.
Good work. Yeah, these choppers are actually gonna
You
win
got
it.
gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Oh, dude, just look at his zone.
25 remain.
Look at it
Solid
go. There's a loadout just says they haven't got an RPG in their loadout they can just shoot him with. I'm legit kind of. I hit that helicopter fair few. I shouldn't waste my ammo, to be honest. We gotta go. Dudes, we gotta go. These helicopters are actually gonna win it. I'm so frustrated at that.
Here I go. Body on my team. Right there.
Holy Batman. This is the worst thing I've ever been involved in. Truck, car, helicopters.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
I'm getting under this bridge in zone. Kill one in zone here. Jeez, I'm under the bridge, boys.
Gas is moving.
Okay, we're inside. Scan for movement.
Under 10 to go. Keep fighting.
The rest are in the helicopters, aren't they?
High caliber here.
They're gonna fly up in zone, like they're gonna just be up in zone flying, and we can't shoot them. Yeah, that's all we can do, Goaty. This is the worst
Gas
zone.
inbound. Marking new safe zone. This is your last chance. Finish the job.
Yeah, the rest are in the helicopters, boys.
That's the target.
I just called in the airstrike hoping that it would hit their helicopters. Dude, this is legit the worst. Oh, I've got one helicopter done. There's a guy parachuting out.
Only 5 left.
I'm out of ammo. Please get him out of that helicopter.
Right there.
Setting charge. Setting charge.
Where the frick is he? Where is he? Yes! Suck my nuts! Suck on my nuts, man! Damn, boy!